Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English language is one of the most common language used around the world. English is important because it's one of the main ways to communicate and interact with other people around us. It is playing a major role in many sections like education, medicine, engineering, and business. Learning English becomes fun once you learn the basics of it. And today I'm going to tell you exactly how you can learn English easily. But before that, if you are serious about learning English, let me know in the comment section. I'll make some more videos. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Let's begin. Number 1, reading. Read and read. If you want to learn English more quickly, lots of reading is important. The more you read, the more you learn. Read everything you can get your hands on. When you read in English, you can improve your vocabulary, your grammar, and your writing skills at the same time. First of all, pick up simple books that are easy to read. When you are just learning to read, comics can be a great supplement to help foster love and enjoyment for books. Like Ollie, for early readers who are still trying to gain their confidence with the written word, there are comics like Andy Renton's Ollie that let the pictures do that talking. Toon books, without a doubt, the best go-to option. Tinkle is a fun to read. And Goosebumps. Read deeply in newspapers, novels, magazines, books, websites, etc. If it's in English, read it. This helps you improve quickly. Second way to learn English is by listening. Listening will help you to improve your understanding of the language and your pronunciation. A lot of English speakers talk fast and blend their words together. If you didn't understand that at first, don't worry. There are many websites that teach English where you can explore. Listen to English every day. Listen to English channels. Listen to international news broadcasts. You can watch it with subtitles. You can also watch and listen to recordings of popular talk shows. Third is by speaking. Improve your knowledge of the English language and pronunciation and practice your speaking and vocabulary with video lessons. You'll find lots of activities in internet to practice your speaking skills. You can watch and listen to videos that show how English is used in different types of conversation. Fourth one is by writing. Many people struggle with writing in English, and it can seem like a real challenge to improve. Don't worry. There are lots of online activities to practice your writing skills. You can improve your writing by understanding model texts and how they are structured. Start writing everything in a diary. Write as much as you can and make sure when you learn a new word, try to learn all the forms of that word. You must know how to spell that word correctly. People often say that we learn to write best by reading. Reading in English is useful in many ways.